Hey, welcome back to another video of eText. In this video, we are going to learn how to edit Character AI message. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Character AI and log in to your account. After that, open up any conversation from your recent tab. After that, hover your mouse to the conversation that you want to edit. Here, you will see three dots and click on it. After that, you will see Edit Message option. Click on that and edit your message from here. Now, after editing your message, click on Save button. And as you can see that your message has been edited. You can also do same with the AI message. Click on the three dots and click on Edit Message. After that, type in your edited message and click on Save. So that is how you can edit Character AI message. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.